Alright, darn it. I'm determined to get this lock with bobby pins too. I've done it once so far, it was not fun. So, let's see what we can get into here. I'm going to try to give it a zip first. Alright, let's get this in. Good click. Good click, I think. Yep. Back here. All the way back, I think. Yep. Come on. Not sure if I got it. Might have. Okay. Full set. Not sure. That drop. Okay. Good click in the far back. Oh, and I got it. Nice. Ah, oh, love it. Bobby pins. Take a look at the bidding on that guy. Oh, I can't believe I just did that. Nice.